Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this smooth slow motion focus zoom on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to select this video and I'm just going to zoom in on this person, for instance. Add a keyframe here and then add in a keyframe. Actually, I might focus on like this area. I'm going to zoom it here and I'm going to scale it more and move it there so it positions over here. Okay, so if you want to put in smooth we'll add in a slow motion bit, just like add it here. I'm just going to move it here and then move this down a little bit and just see. You can add in another like dot if you like to, and add in smooth slow motion, of course. I'm just going to move this down a little bit. Oops. It's still like processing the smooth slow motion, and plus this video already has like slow motion on it. So if your video has already like slow motion, don't add it. In my opinion, don't add it. And then I'm just going to select the keyframe here, right click, show keyframe animation, and I'm going to select, select that bit, this keyframe. Then I'm going to select graphs and I'm going to select ease in. Okay, maybe not, whoops. Oh wait, it's ease out, I think, yeah. Select the ease out one. You can either select ease out 1, ease out 2, or ease out 3, but it's just going to make the slow motion, the zoom in smoother, sorry. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!